What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is CJ with CJ the Car Nut. Today we're going to bring you a video on the GoPro. I take a majority of my footage with my two GoPros. I've got a 5 and a 7. And I've seen a lot of people using the GoPro as a dash cam or using it as a camera for their track days, for road racing or drag racing. And I wanted to show you guys the best possible settings that you could use to configure your GoPro to get the best possible footage that you can. So I've got one set up as a dash cam here, and we're going to be driving around a little bit. And when I get home, I'm actually going to bring you guys through the actual settings to get the best possible footage that you can, and also show you guys some overlays that you can use with the GoPro Quik application. That way you can put some kind of vehicle footage overlaid on top of the video. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. Help me grow the channel. And we'll be back shortly with some actual settings of the GoPro. All right, thanks for watching. All right, we're sitting here in front of the GoPro, and I wanted to show you guys a couple of the settings that I like to use when I'm filming in the car. Just makes things a little bit easier and makes things a little bit better when you're putting them together in your video. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm filming at 1080. 1080 just seems to be the sweet spot for me, because 2.7 and 4K just make the file size pretty large, and I really don't see a difference in the quality when I'm shooting the videos and putting them together after the fact. 60 frames per second, because things are whizzing by the car pretty fast, so you want to make sure that you're being able to capture them without them getting too grainy or blurry. And I like to have the point of view narrow. That way you're looking through the windshield, and you're not getting that balloon or bubble effect from like the super view or the super wide screen, and you're just looking straight ahead. The other things that I like to do that I found out the hard way is obviously you want to make sure the video stabilization is on. You're going to be doing a bunch of high-speed maneuvers, stopping, starting, the whole 9 yards, and you want to make sure that that video is as stable as possible, unlike it just was when I whacked my hand on the tripod. This is another big one that's really important. I take it and put it in stereo only. I found out that after doing a bunch of videos for the car, that the sound of the exhaust from the inside mimics wind noise for the GoPro, and it actually mutes it or turns the volume way down so you can't hear anything. So keeping it on stereo only will help that out. And lastly, I want to make sure that the auto off is turned off. So make sure that that is set to never, because that'll make sure that you're not losing footage, or the thing's not turning off when you think you're getting really good scenes or good shots, and then you come back to find out that your GoPro turned off. So there you have it. Hope that helps you guys, and hopefully guys you get better videos out of that. When you download your videos into GoPro Quik, this little button down here will add some gauges to your video. So if you click on it, you can click on just for instance the speedometer, speed tracker, and the info cluster. So we'll save that, and you can see that it adds these overlays to your video. You can move around the screen and do whatever you want with them. So as you play your video now, it'll pull the data from the GoPro and actually update as the video is going. So it's something pretty cool, neat little trick to bring a little bit more life to your videos. And you can go ahead and come back and turn these off. You can do G-force, GPS path if you want, And then you can put the GoPro logo up there. It's kind of hard to see over there, but there's the GoPro logo. There's your G-forces. Let's see what, just for giggles, what the G-force meter says. So there you have it. Hope that helps you guys. Well, YouTubers, hope you guys enjoyed that video and how to configure the GoPro for the best possible recordings in your car, for track days or dash cams or whatever you want to use it for in your car. Like I always say, I appreciate you guys helping me out. Subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I have a surprise coming up for you guys next week. Got a little box here that came in the mail, and it's the good old Dragy. So what that means is hopefully next week we're going to be testing that thing out, seeing what we can do with this baby, and doing some 0-60 runs and checking out launch control. So stay tuned for that video next week. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified when I send out new videos. And I always say thank you guys, I appreciate it. Have a good week, and I will see you shortly. Bye-bye.